Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a Lancer Evo 9 from Fast and Furious movies, and it's by Hot Wheels. It's part of their premium, so you will get a few nicer things compared to mainline, like rubber wheels, metal base, nice details. And if I'm not wrong, this car is from the Tokyo Drift movie, where he learns how to drift on this car, I guess. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here's the Lancer Evo 9 out of its box, and as I said, it's a premium, so you do get rubber wheels, tires setup, you do have metal base, and you do get good details which you can see here. So we're gonna start from the front. So up front you got some really good details. You got this nice looking headlamps, you got the Mitsubishi badge, you also get detailed grille, and you do have this lower body kit, and if you look close enough you can see there is some details in the lower grille too, and you have this small aero pieces here. Also, I think the hood has latches if I'm not wrong, or maybe something else, but you do have this vent to suck in more air for the turbo. Yeah, Evos are like modified with big turbos. Even from the factory they had like huge turbos. It also gives this nice looking windshield wipers, both the mirrors. These are like racing kind of mirrors, so they're a smaller, more aero type. You do get this black seal all around the windshield, which looks good. I do like the paint, and it's a movie based car, so it's the same paint as you see in the movie. I do like the wheels, they look really nice. The 5-spoke design looks really good here, and as I said, you do get the same paint theme as in the movie. You do get bunch of names in the bottom right here, which I can't really read. I'm getting old. Again, the black seal around here looks good, like on the ABC pillars. And interior does have a roll cage. I will try to show you. If you can see here, there's the roll cage inside, so good details in the interior too. Now coming to the rear, again nice details here. You can see the tail lamp is nicely done. You can get the Mitsubishi badge, the big exhaust in the bottom, and a huge spoiler in the back. Again, you can see there some aero elements like modified bumper. Looks really good. Now coming to the passenger side, looks almost identical. I don't see any differences compared to the driver's side. Looks really good, and the interior seems to finish in black. Windows are slightly tinted, so can't really see clearly, but overall it looks like a really nice casting, and I think it's new for 2025 if I'm not wrong. So if you find one, I think you should get one, because even without the movie it's still a nice looking casting. Like without the movie connection, still looks like a nice casting. Well, that's all I think about this. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.